If you want to learn how to watch all your favorite anime for free legally, then this video is the right video for you. The first platform on my list is called Crunchyroll. Now, this platform actually have a whole lot of anime, like a very high library of anime available for you to actually watch on their platform. Now, let me go to this other section because there are new anime on this platform and also there are popular anime on this platform. Like pretty much everything you are looking for is on Crunchyroll, and the best part is that you can actually watch for free legally on their platform with ads. And yes, I said it, there are ads available on Crunchyroll, and that's how you can actually watch, anime for free. If you are watching anime for free, you are definitely going to be seeing ads. That's just normal. That's the way it works. Then another thing about the resolution on this platform is that the resolution is also very good when you are watching for free legally. As you can see me scrolling right now. You can see that there is a lot of stuff available on this platform. But the only thing about watching for free on Crunchyroll is that it's actually going to be a little bit limited. Like the episodes you'll be able to access is going to be a little bit limited since you're actually watching for free. But if you don't want any single limitation at all, like you want to be able to access every single thing that is on their platform, and also you want a very high quality, and you don't want to be seeing any ads when you are watching your favorite anime on their platform, then you can easily go ahead and upgrade to premium. So you can see it at the top. You can upgrade to premium, and once you upgrade to premium, you are going to get a 7 days free trial. Another thing about this Crunchyroll is that it's also available as an app, so you can go ahead and download for your Apple devices, for your iPad, for your iPhones, for any devices at all, even your Android, your smart TV. You can go ahead and download the Crunchyroll app, and you'll be able to stream your favorite anime on their platform. Now, the second on my list is called Tubi TV. Now, Tubi TV is actually a combination, like a combination of movies, TV shows, drama, sci-fi, action, anime, live TV shows, and so many stuff combined as one. Like you'll be able to watch every single thing in one place. And this platform is actually owned by Force Corporation. You can see that over here. Now you can see what they are saying over here. You can see that live TV is available. You can see TV shows are available. Just like I said, action, sci-fi, everything is available. Even anime is available on this platform. Now, the sweetest part is that this platform is also available as an app. So you can go ahead and download for your Android and your iOS devices. So you can see it's available on the Google Play Store. So let's click on it to find out if it's really available. You can see it over here. This app is available with 100 million downloads, which means that this app is really good. Now let's see what they're actually saying on their screenshots. You can see explore hit movies. You can see so many stuff. Watch live TV. So this app is something you have to download on your Android or your iPhone devices, so you can actually stream your favorite anime or movies and TV shows, or classic gems, all for free legally on their platform. And like I said, this platform is called Tubi TV. Now, before I move on to the third on my list, if you're actually finding any value at all from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me to grow my YouTube channel. And I'm really going to appreciate if you actually do that. Now, the third on my list is called Retro Crush. This platform is actually, a platform where you can watch, a whole lot of classic gems, like a lot of hidden gems, a whole lot of anime that, you once watched like maybe a long time ago, and you have been looking for it and you are not seeing it in other platforms. You can actually find those kind of hidden gems on this platform that is called Retro Crush. Now, this Retro Crush, they also have, they also have an app available as well, and I'm going to show you guys that as well very soon. You can see they also have live TVs, so not just anime. Live TVs are available, movies are available as well, not just anime. Now let's check out the app. You can see the app is also available, having over 100,000 downloads. So you can see it, Retro Crush. You can see the app is fully available. So you can go ahead and also download the app on your Android or iPhone devices. And with this app, you'll be able to stream, some anime and, a whole lot of stuff that is going to keep you entertained. So in this video, I've given you guys 3 platforms. So you can use any one of your choice. You can either use Crunchyroll, you can use Tubi TV, or you can go ahead and use Retro Crush. So it's pretty much any one of your choice. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.